I'm going to take advantage of what feels like one of the last warm days we have before winter to stain these green doors with this. I do this a lot when I paint. I like to paint it, distress it, and then put a stain over it and just kind of, I brush it on and then I rub it in to the wood, and it gives it kind of a aged look to it. So I have both my doors, my front door and my garden side door, and I hope it goes quick. Well, 1 hour, that's all it took. Front and back of both doors is done, and toned down that green just a little bit, and it looks really nice next to this black greenhouse. So I'll give you an up close look. The inside of the front door. It's fairly subtle. It sort of gives the door a little more depth. I love this look. I did the same thing to our, it looks so pretty. Much better. Anyhow, I did the same thing to our front door a few years ago, and now it matches the greenhouse, or the greenhouse matches the front. So I figured I'd just show you that real quick. I love these old doors. Super solid. And when you distress things, it gets rid of all the flaws. As my kids will attest to, it's my favorite thing to do. Hope you enjoyed watching that. And I had fun doing it.